Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Cashapp to Payoneer. You can send money directly from Cashapp to Payoneer. First, withdraw your Cashapp funds to a linked bank account. Make sure your bank account is verified for smooth transfers. Next, link the same bank account to your Payoneer account and use it to add funds. Once done, your money moves safely from Cash App to bank to Payoneer. It's simple, fast, and secure. And that's it. That's how to send money from Cash App to Payoneer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.